Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see one new setting. So, how it will look. Let's have a look. From the master setup, I will go to the setting, and here I have added one setting, that is number of records in field collection list. So here you can see default value is 0. If means 0 means record limit will not be applicable. So in the field collection list, if you want to see the number of records, like let's say 14 records, so you need to just write here number and add to the setting value. So here I have added 0 because I want to see the all the list. But here let's say I want to add the 3 records only, so I will just click. Now let's see. I will go to the employee login, HR management, employee list. So here I will just reset the password because I have forgot the password. Now let's set on new password and just so we need to enter the password correctly. So I will just click here. Yes, so password I will set. Now I will copy this and let's employ for this employee. Here you can see this is a employee and I will go to the field collection loan collection list. Here you can see only 3 loans are showing because I have added that setting 3. Now I want to remove that setting. Let's add the setting 0. I will go to the master setup and setting, and here I will add the 0 and just click to update. Now let's go to the employee login and just sign out and re-login again. Loan collection list. Now you can see showing 4 loans due. So actually there are 4 loans due, but when I put the setting, the restrict number of records, it is showing the minimum list. So whatever we have put in the setting. So this setting is work like this. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.